Hey oilies, it's Abby. So this week we've been talking about on the Facebook page, we've been talking about LRP kits and what they're made up of. So I'm just going to share a little bit about what LRP is, why it's so important this month, and different kits real quick. I'm going to try to make this a short video even though I'm getting a lot into it. So the LRP is a loyalty rewards program with doTERRA. So doTERRA gives you discounts and points back for being part of the program. Besides that, you also get your shipping back in points every month, and you can use those points to buy almost anything on doTERRA. So if you are at 30% back, you spend $100, you get $30 back next month to spend on anything you want. So this month, why that's important is if you are new to LRP and you do 150, if you're under 20% back in points every month and you do 150 on your LRP this month, next month, they're going to bump you up to 20% right at the gate. So if you just signed up and you're at 10 or 15%, this is huge because this jumps you ahead faster for more points back. But one question I get all the time is, how do I know what to order every month? Luckily, there is me for that. There's my entire team for that. If you have a health issue or health concern and you want to know what to order for that, get with us. We'll go through our essentials, our essential life book with you, or whatever we need to do to figure it out. But doTERRA has done some of the work for us, and that is what I wanted to share with you today. So let's go to this. And we're actually going to go here. When you first sign in, this is the screen that you see. You're going to go to shop, you're going to go to kits and collections, and then you're going to go over to loyalty rewards kits, and you're going to click that. And you're going to see all of these really cool kits that doTERRA has already done for you. Every single one of these will get you the free oil if you order by the 15th. This month it's rosemary. But what you're paying attention to with that is the PV. It needs to be at least 125 by the 15th of each month to qualify for the free product. Every single one of these kits do. So first, let's look at the athlete's kit. This is everything that an athlete would need to maximize their abilities, let's say. So you got peppermint beadlets, which helps with respiratory support, and you've got deep blue and aroma touch, which both helps with soreness, aches, pains, that sort of thing. Lemongrass is great for a massage afterwards or any bumps or bruises that you may have. It helps your body to process those. On Guard hand sanitizing mist is a hand sanitizer. And Mito 2 Max is great for energy, and CorrectX is great for distressed skin, chafed skin, things like that. It helps support skin health. So that is the athlete's kit. It costs $145 and it is 140 PV. So again, you would get this and the free product if you order by the 15th of this month. So Calm and Harmony kit. Can we all just admit that we all need a little bit more calm and harmony in our lives? So cedarwood is great for relaxation and promoting feelings of well-being, sleepfulness. Serenity is a restful complex, and you get that in the soft gel and in the oil. You also get lavender, which is really good for calming. Peace, which is the most beautiful fragrance. It's minty, but it's not overpowering, and it's calming, and it's peaceful. Balance is something I use every day, twice a day on the bottoms of my feet. It promotes emotional well-being and balance in your life. And you also get, let's see what that little bottle of oil is. 5 milliliter wild orange. So that's very uplifting and beautiful smelling. It smells yummy. This is $140 and 135 PV. You would get all those products plus the free product of the month if you order by the 15th. Let's talk digestion. I know so many people who need this kit right here. So this is PV Assist Junior. It is the probiotic powder for children. I also have used this. I am not ashamed to admit it tastes yummy. It is strawberry melon flavored. This is PV Assist, and this is the adult pre and probiotic. This is peppermint beadlets, which not only does it help with the respiratory function, like we just said for athletes, it helps support good digestion. We have the soft gels of Digest Zen and the roller of Digest Zen, which helps with all things digestive support. And Terrazyme, which actually helps to break down and process food more effectively in your body. So I want to stop right here and say none of these claims that I'm making have been evaluated by the FDA, largely because they haven't done it. So wholesale price is $140 and PV is $130. So again, you get the free oil and all that good stuff for your belly. Immune support kit. You need this. Everybody needs these things right here. Okay, everybody, every single person needs these, especially this time of year. So this will help support your immune function. Copaiba is, it activates the same CB receptors as CBD oil. However, Copaiba is safely regulated and has a lot of testing done on it, medical backing. Not only does it support healthy mood and neurological function, but it helps support a healthy gut, and that's where your immune health is. So On Guard soft gels, On Guard hand sanitizer, and On Guard oil are all our immune supporting blends. The soft gels are taken internally. You can diffuse or take the oil. That's it. Good Lord, if I forget that word, what? Anyway, you can diffuse it, take it internally, smear it on you. It's all good. Oregano touch. Oregano is a very hot oil. You should not use it topically unless it's diluted. This is pre-diluted for you. You can put it up and down your spine. It is amazing for immune support. And the last one, I believe, is Breathe, right? Yes, 5 milliliter of On Guard, or of Breathe, 5 milliliter bottle of Breathe, and it helps with respiratory support and opening airways. It is $150 wholesale and $145 PV. So if you order by the 15th of this month, you would get the free oil and all that good stuff. So pain and energy. Let's talk pain and energy. Deep Blue polyphenol capsules are something I take every single day because I have chronic pain. And for me, that supports proper inflammatory response. You do want your body to have an inflammatory response when you have pain. That's how you feel pain. However, you don't want it to go all crazy and be like, you're having a baby, when really it's just back cramps. So the Deep Blue rub is a muscle rub. It's like, to take the words of Amanda Ide and put them on film. Thank you, Amanda. It's like Biofreeze, Icy Hot, and Biofreeze, Icy Hot, and one other thing, Had a Baby, Aspercream, Had a Baby. And it's amazing. Wintergreen, I will say this, wintergreen is a very hot oil. You should always dilute it with coconut oil. This one is not diluted. Wintergreen is great to support your muscle aches, pains, ouchies, and so is Aroma Touch. And Copaiba is as well, because again, it activates the same receptors as CBD. However, it's very much understood how this one works, not so much with CBD. That's a whole nother class. So this is 145, 130 PB, and last but not least, seasonal threats. Think things with changing seasons and pollen and dander, and oh my goodness. So if that's got you down, there's a kit for that. It is $135 and $125 PV. Again, you're going to get all the good stuff, freebies wise. So this, I'm going to enlarge a little bit. This has Breathe respiratory drops. They're like a lozenge, but they're yummy and slightly minty, and they open up your airway as well as loosening any junk that you have going on in your chest. Breathe Vapor Stick is kind of like a popular brand sold over the counter that you get in a blue jar and you rub all over yourself. However, this is not petroleum based. Look into why that's important. This is made with a base of coconut oil. Not only does it absorb easier, but if you have to go outside in the cold afterwards, you're not going to freeze to death because of it. PB Assist, again, that's good immune support because it helps with gut health, pre and probiotic. Tri-Ease is a seasonal blend soft gel. It's a pill that you take. It has lavender, lemon, and peppermint in it. Lemon clears respiratory junk, helps your body clear respiratory junk. Peppermint is supportive to the respiratory tract. And lavender is one of the greatest anti-dander, anti-pollen things in the world, which is also why it's over here in the oil section. Melaleuca is great at supporting immune function, and Breathe again in the oil so that you can diffuse it as well if you would like to. Of course, you can use that topically and internally as well. So these are the LRP kits. They are amazing. Now, let me tell you, this month, if you're hoping to jump percentages. If you're at 10 or 15% and you want that 20% that doTERRA is offering this month for ordering over 150, you need to order those kits plus an oil. Your PV has to be over 150. So if you get, say you get the seasonal support one and you want Copaiba 2, that would be more than enough to jump you in points. If you're confused about this, or if you want your own account so that you can be on the LRP and get rewards for buying stuff you're already buying, let me know. And as always, guys, I will see you next time. Stay oily.